We made the decision about 12 years ago to select Epson as our only printer product. We sell primarily to the hospitality industry, and most restaurants, their business comes in small spurts, lunch, dinner, happy hour, and we found that the low quality printers can really impair an operation. So when Epson came along, we started deploying it back in the late 90s. We could really see the difference with Epson. Our service calls on printers went way down the minute we started deploying Epson, and it just became a non-factor. The printers go in there, they work well, whether it's the receipt printer or a kitchen printer, and we weren't getting printer calls anymore. And through the years, we've been approached by a lot of different manufacturers to replace the Epson with a lower cost solution. And for the $50 we're going to save to put a low cost printer in, it's not really worth the chance of doing that to our customers, and also just one service call wipes out the savings if you have to go out and replace or put a loaner printer in. So through the years, we've been very happy with Epson. It's the only printer we sell. There are, sometimes the customers are looking for lower prices, and we try to save them money in other ways, but not on the printer.
Hi, today we're going to be talking about Epson printers and why Pinnacle uses them. The main reason that we've decided on Epson printer as our printer of choice is because of their industry standard reliability and durability. As a matter of fact, other companies that make printers always have to include a section called Epson emulation in order for them to be as widely received as the Epson printers are and as workable. The two Epson printers that we have out today are the TM88 thermal printer, typically used for guest check printing, and the TM220B impact printer. And this one is used for kitchen prep tickets and frequently bar prep tickets. Now, the main difference is that this one uses thermal paper, such as this, and does not require a ribbon. Instead, it transfers all the information onto the paper just through heat. Loading these is a 2-second operation. That printer is now ready to be used. The other printer, the 220B, uses standard paper and a ribbon, in this case a 2-color ribbon, so that special instructions will highlight in red versus the standard black print for the items. Loading the ribbon is as simple as pushing it into place until it clicks. We drop the paper in, close. The printers can also take a variety of different interfaces for different applications. This one is set up to use a serial interface. They can also take USB or TCP/IP, also called Ethernet printing. The TM88, likewise, is set up for serial printing. It can also support USB printing natively. And the great thing about these is that all the Epson printer models can use the same cards without having to buy special equipment. So because of the features and the durability and reliability of these printers, they become our only choice in the field. Epson is the name that we use for all of our printing needs.
Your restaurant is like a race car on the track, and the printer is like the best tire you can have on it. And you're running that race, you don't want to put a low quality tire on the race car. You want to have the best, and that's why we stick with Epson. It's the only printer we sell.